Lesson 17, question number 2. The ratio of the number of laps to the number of minutes is 5 to 4. And we want to write that as a rate. And we're going to use decimal form. So, like I told you a moment ago, rate is when we divide out the ratio. So, the ratio is 5 to 4. So, I'm going to write 5 over 4. Remember that fraction is another way to write a ratio. And then, that fraction bar is a division sign. That is a division sign. Okay. And so we're going to have 5 divided by 4. 5 divided by 4. Think about the way you read it top to bottom. 5 divided by 4. So since it's divided by 4, the 4 goes on the outside of the box. A lot of people want to switch that around and put the 4 on the inside of the 5. I mean, sometimes people switch around, sometimes they don't. But just if you know how to read it, you won't switch it around. 5 divided by 4. Divided by 4, 4 goes on the outside of the division box. Okay, 4 will go into 5 one time. 1 times 4 is 4. Subtract and we get 1. We're not finished. Okay, we want to keep doing this out until there's no remainders left. So we're going to add a decimal and a 0. That's still 5, 5.0, or 5 and 0 tenths is still 5. That's like saying $5 and 0 dimes. It's still $5. Okay, so we push that decimal up, and then we're going to drop the 0 down. Okay, 4 will go into 10 twice. 4 times 2 is 8. So it'll go twice. 4 times 2 is 8. Subtract and I get 2. I've still got a remainder though, so I'm not finished. I've got to put another 0 up here and drop it down. Put another 0 and drop it down, and now I have 20. Now you might be thinking, you didn't just add all those zeros into that number, but I can because it's behind the decimal. So now, but before we start off with 5, so think about $5. And now we still have what's equivalent to $5. $5, 0 dimes, and 0 pennies is still $5. So I'm not changing the value of that 5 by adding the zeros to the back of it.
Caden Campbell, we need you to report to your dad's room, please.
All right.
Caden Campbell.
Sorry about that interruption. Okay, so 4 will go into 20 5 times. 4 times 5 is 20. So we're going to put a 5 up here on top. 4 groups of 5 is 20. And now when I subtract, I get down to 0. So I'm done with my math problem. So if I was going to write this as a rate, I divided it out, and I would have 1 and 25/100. Kind of lag there for a second. Hang on. Well, see the little spinning? Oh, still not working. Okay, it kind of faded. Come back, board. Come back. Come back to me. There we go. All right, so there's my decimal. Oh, no. Woo. Okay, so that's a 2. 1 and 25/100. And then we're going to go up here and find the words laps per minute. And I have to type that in, laps per minute. Because if you're going to do a rate, you have to put the words in it. Laps per minute. Okay, that's what you're going to put in as your answer. So let me recap really quick. If it asks us to find the rate, we're going to put the ratio in fraction form. We're going to divide that fraction the way that we've been dividing the last couple of days. And then you go back and you write your answer. Okay, that's a 2, 1 and 25/100, and put the words with it, laps per minute. I'll see you on number 3.